Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another very quick and important video on where to exchange money in Thailand. So let's say you have US dollars, you have euros, or you have Indian rupees, and you want to exchange them when you're in Thailand or to spend on your trip. Which is the best currency exchange place? So I'll be talking all about this in this video. And also, when I checked the most frequently asked questions in my previous Thailand videos and also on Instagram, this was one of the most frequently asked question. If we have US dollars, which is the best currency exchange place in Thailand? So before I get started, again as usual, please click on the subscribe button, guys. More the subscribers, more the growth of channel. So you know what to do. It's free of cost. Just click on the subscribe button for more interesting and informational videos like this. So based on my research and based on my previous 7 visits to Thailand over the past few years, and based on communicating with a lot of locals in Thailand from the past few days, my friends, colleagues who have settled in Bangkok, Thailand, and also Chiang Mai as remote workers. So I've contacted them and I've got 4 most frequently or commonly exchange centers which are there in Thailand, where most people go to exchange currency. So the first most famous currency exchange center that I would say is SCB, which is Siam Commercial Bank. You would have seen this a lot, like you can see on my screen. You mostly find this in airports, malls, city, or most famous cities everywhere, guys. So the second famous and my favorite all these years was TT Currency Exchange with the yellow board. So you would have, when you're in Pattaya walking street or roaming in the streets of Pattaya, you would have definitely seen this yellow color booth is TT Currency Exchange. And the third currency exchange center that I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to say, which has made a lot of noise recently, is Super Rich Exchange Center, where again this is a very new exchange center. It was not there from the past few years, and also it's made a lot of noise in terms of people most frequently going there and people getting the best rates, guys. And the fourth and last but not the least, you will find this a lot as well in especially airports, is Kasikorn Bank with a green color booth. Again, these are easily judged based on the color, and you can easily find them, and you can locate these when you're going. You don't have to actually remember the name. You can judge them based on the color. They have purple, yellow, green. You can easily find them out, especially when you're in airport. And to compare these 4 currency exchange places, I'll tell you which is from ascending to descending order, that is which is giving the best exchange rate as of today and which is not recommended to exchange your money. So the first best currency exchange that I found between these four currency exchange centers by looking into their website and latest trend, the number 1 goes to SCB Bank, that is Siam Commercial Bank, which is giving for 1 INR 0.44 Thai baht, which is insanely good in my opinion. And the second place goes to Super Rich Currency Exchange, where for 1 INR they're giving you 0.390 Thai baht. And the third place, which was good so far, was TT Currency Exchange, where they're giving you almost for 1 INR is 0.375 Thai baht. And then last but not the least is Kasikorn Bank, where for 1 INR they're giving 0.266 Thai baht, which is a bit over in my opinion. So whenever you're buying or exchanging currency, not only look at the exchange rate what is given in the board in these 4 centers, but my advice would also be look at their website and what is been the latest trend. 0.1 or 2 paise might not make any difference, guys, but if you look at the trend that I just showed you, 0.44 Thai baht to 0.26 Thai baht is a huge difference. And in my opinion, you should always go for the best one, because already you're losing a lot of money in terms of carrying INR and then exchanging that to Thai baht in Thailand, where if you exchange Indian money to Thai baht in India itself, you will get for a very good rate. So my recommendation first of all is not to lead you in the wrong direction. Please always exchange your money in India itself before in your own city before going to Thailand. But if in case if you want more Thai baht, if you want more money, try to go to these 4 exchange centers, which is very famous in Thailand. Like I said, it's available in almost all commercial and touristy places. You need not worry. Chiang Mai, Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, it's available everywhere, guys. And as per the latest trend, like I told you, SCB Bank hands down is giving a very good exchange rate. So if you see this kind of a center or or a kind of a shop where of this type, kindly enter that and also compare before exchanging. Always do compare, because exchange rates keep changing every second and we wouldn't know exactly to comment on which is the best currency exchange place in general. But at that point of time, when you are in Thailand, if you want to exchange, you can always feel free to DM me. I'll give you the best advice, or you can do it by yourself, going to Google and go reaching out these 4 websites. I've linked it in the description below. You can click on this website, click on the date, and you can also find which is the nearest center for you. For example, if you are in Bangkok, Sukhumvit 11, in Sukhumvit 11, which is the closest center, closest SCB center or TT currency exchange center, you will be able to find all those details in the website. And all these links for this website is linked in the description below, guys. So you can check this out or go to Google. Either ways, you will find this detailed description about these websites. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to make this video very quick because it is just about to find which is the best place to exchange currency in Thailand. But if you have any more questions related to this, and one more important thing, sorry I forgot to mention to you guys, was whenever you're exchanging Indian money, there is something called a small, medium, large. So if you have like for example 500 rupee notes, if you have a large quantity, or if you have only 100 rupee notes, currency exchange also differs on based on the number of or denomination of the notes you have. So in India, you know, they accept 50, 100, 200 and 500. We don't have 2000 rupees anymore and do not carry 2000 rupees notes because it is not accepted in Thailand. When I went in February, that put a board saying that 2000 INR notes are not accepted anymore in Thailand. So be sure to carry 500 rupee notes. If you have 2000 rupees notes, kindly exchange it in the local banks nearby. I don't know if it is really possible to exchange now, but try it out. So carry 500 rupee notes, 200, 100. So if you have 500, you will obviously get a better rate. If you have 200 and 100, you might get a very less rate. And also some instances where currency exchange places have only accepted 500 rupees notes. So please beware of that. Try to carry only 500 notes, and it again depends on whether you want to exchange for a larger amount of money or lesser amount of money. Even if you have US dollars, it is going to be beneficial to exchange these US dollars to Thai baht in Thailand. I hope this information was very informative, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video.